Today I'm going to teach you how to round image corners in Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to add polish and personality to your site's images, making them look more refined and aligned with your brand's aesthetic. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard, where you can see all your websites and projects. On the dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to round the image corners. This will open up that specific site's management interface, giving you access to all its editing tools. Now look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Website, and directly underneath it, you'll see Pages. Go ahead and click on Pages. This section displays all the pages that make up your website, whether they're blog posts, portfolio pages, or standard content pages. From the list of pages that appears, select the page containing the image you want to edit. Once you've found it, click the Edit button next to that page. This will open the page editor, allowing you to make changes to the content and design elements on that specific page. Now comes the important part. Click directly on the image you want to round. Once selected, you'll notice a pencil icon appear, typically hovering near or on the image itself. Click this pencil icon to open the image settings. From here, navigate to the Design tab at the top of the Settings panel. Within the Design tab, scroll down until you find the option labeled Corner Radius. This is the feature that controls how rounded your image corners will be. You'll notice you have two options here. You can either adjust all the corners uniformly or customize each corner individually. Let's start by adjusting all the corners together. In the Corner Radius field, input a number, let's say 30. This will apply a consistent rounding effect to all four corners of your image, giving it a smooth, balanced look. Now, if you prefer more creative control, you can adjust each corner one by one. This is especially useful if you want a unique or asymmetrical design. Simply toggle to the individual corner settings and enter different values for each corner, experimenting until you find the look that suits your vision. Once you're satisfied with how your image looks, click Save. This will lock in your changes and apply the rounded corners to your image on the live page. And that's it. You've successfully rounded image corners in Squarespace, adding a professional touch to your site's visuals. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.